I hear one of them.
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll just
they're
go
both
one ride on
going.
these.
Yeah. We want to go to 5 on these. If we go anywhere lower, there's going to be
there's gonna
staff
stuff down
members.
there. Yeah, that's
I hear one of them.
oh, it's almost. I think it's this one. Yeah, classic levels. That's cool.
All right, you do the honors.
All right.
5.
Five. Quick cam view.
Here we go.
All right.
You're good. I'm surprised these are still not modded.
Like, same thing with those Westies I found in Wichita.
Here we are.
All right.
It's got the call rec, but no floor passing chime. Nope.
Goes in.
That'll be it. Guys, this is going to be my actual final ride on the service elevators at the Hyatt Regency Orlando Convention Center.
Tower 1.
We got Brandon, or Electric Bird, with us.
Yep, they do.
It's a good thing we came here because the other bank of elevators is closed for modernization by TK. I hear one of them.
And we're getting up in the lobby, right?
We'll do one ride. We'll go to 5 and then come back up to 27.
Oh, okay.
Either that or we'll just have to get off on whatever floor, because if someone gets on, they might tell us we can't be on these.
Sure.
You can actually get kind of a view with these too.
Excellent.
Hopefully we're not waiting too long. It's gonna be one of these. This one. Alright. 5. What do you think of these?
It's pretty good, actually. I'm really glad we got to.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna
You get to be the last major elevator enthusiast to ride what are Orlando's last 401s.
Yeah. Yeah, because you filmed these before, right?
Yeah, and a few other people have. I'm gonna get you in the frame with the elevator panel. You know what, it doesn't look like anybody's using these, so maybe we'll take these for one more spin. Because this is going to be my last time riding these, most likely, so.
And when I end this, because my phone's about to die soon, so.
Alright. 5. I do like these.
Yeah, I do too.
These do have ThyssenKrupp phones on them. Interesting. I actually never noticed that prior.
Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna get off on 27.
Because that's where we got off.
Here we go.
You're laughing.
So these run very well. There's the interlock. And we're gonna get off here. There it goes. And we'll get a still picture of these back here. And that'll be it.
You know,